From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 28th, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, for our trade analysis. First off, we're looking at the daily time frame, and of course this currency pair for quite some time now, going all the way back to the beginning of May, has been in an uptrend. Not too hard to see along the two blue trend lines that we see here. We've reached into a multi-year high. We're all the way back up here into the 75.60 level, the peak high at the top of the chart. Of course, Wednesday we had an FOMC statement which caused the US dollar to sell off a little bit, causing this currency pair to rally into that significant high up here at the very top of the chart. But since then, yesterday and so far today, we've seen a little bit of a pullback. So the question remains, are we just seeing a little bit of a pullback after that news from Wednesday? Are we going to see the return of the buyers and the uptrend, or is it time for this currency pair to have a little bit of a stronger pullback, maybe even down to the longer blue trend line, which would be down closer towards the 7,400 level or so? So that's the big question for the day. Find support, go back up, or reverse and go back down a little ways. Well, I don't think we can significantly answer that question yet. Sure, we have bounced off the blue shaded area. We've tucked ourselves underneath the yellow zone, but of course it could still find support at this historical resistance level, the green shaded area at 74.45. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a little bit more here on the chart. And as we get in here, you can see a little bit under the yellow zone. But again, that area, significant area of decision, 1, 2, 3, 4 days really, finding some congestion, some indecision right around the 74.20, 74.45 level. It's my expectation today that if there's no significant movement on news for the day today, which we do have some news coming up later on, if there's no significant movement there, it will be likely that the market finds some support, at least for the intraday, right here at 74.45. And the risk, of course, is pretty clear. A breakdown of that green zone, we begin to look for it to go lower, probably again back down here towards the pink zone. 73.30, 73.50 may be our next barrier on the way back down, closer to the larger blue trend line. If we're looking for a buy, I think the best place to look for a buy in the direction of the trend for the day today would be 74.45, right there at the green shade area. Any touch there and support becomes an opportunity to take it long, and maybe even a challenge of the highest highs up here at the top of the chart. And really only a breakdown of that green zone gives us an expectation that we'll look for it to go lower. Just one real quick Fibonacci retracement measurement from the low of right there where the two trend lines intersect to the current resistance high. We find the 382 Fibonacci retracement level sits right around the 74.20 level, bottom of our green shaded area. 4-hour time frame, not really going to change that. We do see we're a little bit underneath the yellow shaded area, but again, that gives me some hope that we might look for that challenge of the green zone, 74.45. Remember, buy low, sell high. If you're looking to buy something, your preference is always that it goes down. It finds a support low, giving you a base and a better risk reward scenario for your trade. So I would actually prefer it to come back down here into the mid to low 7400s, find a base about where this resistance is, and give us an opportunity to go long in the direction of the trend with lower risk and higher reward. If you were to go long right now, you have to assume there's still this possibility of a fall back down to 74.45, this base resistance over here. So going long now, your risk is higher. I would say even your stop loss, your risk is under the green shaded area because that's where that last resistance high is. So your risk is higher. Your potential profit somewhat capped by the yellow zone 7,500 for the day today. The only real reason to expect it to start going higher again is that it gets back above 7,500. So for the day today, I'm expecting it to stay under the yellow zone, touch the green zone, find a base, give us another opportunity to go long in the direction of the trend. We look for the piercing of the 7,500 level yellow zone and a touch of the highest high once again for the New Zealand dollar. And the risk here is that all of that changes, the US dollar starts to rally, and we see the breakdown of the green zone today for the New Zealand dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.